What's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. It's Rick Hart with Hart's Roofing checking in here on Calendar Ave in Newport. This was the worst looking house in the neighborhood. 3 years ago, we came in here and did all the siding, did all the windows, did the roof, and got into the structural as well on the inside. Replaced some support beams and trimmed it out, looking real nice. Customer ordered some cabinets, and we just got them installed. So I know we do advertise a lot for exterior stuff. We do dabble a little bit on the interior. We do a lot of framing, and if you guys have some cabinets or something like that to throw in, we could always do stuff like that. But check this cabinets out. They're looking sharp. That base floor is looking real nice. I think it's just a really great product. Customers really happy, excited to start living in this new space. So if you guys are looking for a new renovation, it's a new year, it's a new you guys deserve it, and you know who to call. Give us a call today, Hart's Roofing Construction. We're happy to help you with any of your projects. Give us a call today, 401-855-0006, an easy number to remember. Talk to you guys.